Then we have, which is called in Hebrew, Gematria Melea, full Gematria. So what is full Gematria? When you take the Gematria of the three letters, Aleph, Lamed, Peh. So Aleph is 1, Lamed is 30, Peh 55. This is called full Gematria. Now this definitely have very deep meaning of it. And you have another Gematria, simple Gematria of the letter Aleph, Lamed, Peh. So let us still start with a simple one. It means Aleph is 1. Aleph, Lamed, Lamed is 30, so 31, and Peh is 80. So this is really the Gematria of the three letters. Gematria of the three letters. And 1 plus 3 plus 80, 111, which is 1, 1, 1. Amazing. Again, the number 1, 3 times, singles, tens, hundreds. What it means. So definitely all these things have to do with Kabbalah. All the language, all the letters, everything is basis of Kabbalah. So in Kabbalah, this Ramchal says, he says the singles, in 1, 2, 3, singles represent the physical. The physical is condensed, limited. The tens represent the higher level, which is really in Kabbalah known to be the world of formation. Olam HaYetzirah, Olam HaAsiyah. Olam HaYetzirah is already higher dimension of it, and this is another part, the letter Aleph in the higher level. Then you have 100, which is again the word of creation, which is 100. This is the dimension of the Aleph in this world. So really, Aleph, fully, Aleph, Lamed, Peh, 111, single, 10, and 100 represent much wider picture of what the Aleph is. Yeah? Unity in all these three words. It's very interesting to point out that in the Torah you have numbers 1, singles, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. The 10,000 in the Torah is called Revava. Revavot, 10,000s. Millions we don't have. Definitely not millions. Yes. When you want the number millions, you have to make 10 Revavot. But no more. Why? Why you have only 5 kinds of counting numbers, single, as we said, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s? Because numbers are parallel to the soul, the Neshama, so the words. Now, there are, as you know, basically 5 words. You can see it coming in the letters of God, which is Yud Ke Vav Ke, and on the top of the Yud you have like a stroke. Now this stroke indicates to a very high level, where the Yud is the word of emanation, creation, formation, it means there is a 5th one, which is really the highest. And these are the 5 parts, the 5 verbs. Those 5 countable numbers. So when you speak about Revava, 10,000 really indicates to the highest of all this, the 5th one. The same thing, man has 5 parts to his soul. Yeah. You have, which is called in Hebrew, Yechida, the unique word. Chaya, the living one. You have the neshama, the soul, in the brain, and you have the ruach, the spirit, in the heart, and the nefesh is the lowest soul in the liver, the physical, in the blood. So in Hebrew, it is nefesh in the liver, ruach, balev, neshama, moach, and the upper ones are the halo, the aura. These are the two lights above the body. Yeah, today you can see through these certain cameras. But basically, these are the 5 parts of the neshama, and those 5 numbers represent also these 5 stages. So everything has a meaning, you know. So therefore, looking on the Aleph, as we said, is 111. This is really what we have in our body. It means hundreds against the neshama, the soul, the brain, the tens against the heart, the emotion, and the single is 111. 3 together. This is 3 parts, definitely. So this is the Aleph, as we said, when we take the numerical value of the 3 letters of it. Which in Hebrew, as we said, almost every letter have 2 or 3. In English, as we said, you have A, B, C, nothing. So let us see now more about it. So, what we have more? In the Aleph, meaning. That's the meaning of the letters. So we said Aleph, clearly, studying, learning. What is Lamed? Also learning, but also teaching, Lamed. It is interesting to note that Aleph and Lamed are basically letters in God's name. Kel, Elokim, Aleph Lamed, Eloka. The letter Lamed, like the letter Aleph, is combined of few letters. The Aleph combined of Yud on top, as you can see, and you have the letter Vav, and the letter Yud. From Yud up, Vav is like the line which joins them up and down, and Yud down. So Yud is 10, Yud is 10, 20, and Vav 6, together 26.